Täällä Suomen Yleisradio. Radio Finland Sunday.
This is Radio Finland calling. We begin our Sunday transmission to the Far East and Australasia on 21.495 megahertz. We also broadcast to Europe on 11.755 megahertz. At 0930 GMT, listeners in the Far East and Australasia should retune to 17.785 megahertz. For listeners in Europe, an additional frequency is available at 0930, 15.27 megahertz.
Next from Helsinki, this is Eddie Hawkins with Radio Finland in its Sunday best.